Hi friends and my seniors, welcome back guys to another very brand new video. Today's video is gonna be very special, very important for everyone who are doing hard work to achieve their beautiful days, who are doing a lot of hard works for to achieve their goals, for to achieve their dreams, for to achieve their purposes. Because guys, today in this video I'm gonna share and I'm gonna talk about the long-term success and the short-term success. Yes, a long-term and a short-term success. Just first of all, I'll give you a example. Okay, I'll start the video with an example. So you have to just imagine, just think that I'll not give it's just imagination, like a little bit story. If I give you 10 crore rupees, then what you will do with that 10 crore rupees? I just wanna see what's going in your brain. Just think. Close your eyes. Just imagine that you have 10 crore rupees in your hands. Okay, it may be any kinds. It may be that you also have earned this 10 crore rupees by doing some jobs, or suddenly with some magics you have gotten. Just imagine that you have 10 crore rupees. Now what you will do with this 10 crore rupees? Now, if you are a small-minded person, okay, if you believe in short-term success, then obviously you will think to buy a very big luxurious mansion, a very beautiful luxury bike, a very big luxury car, expensive car, Rolex watch, beautiful clothes, dresses, shoes, and you will just fulfill your needs. Okay, with that 10 crore rupees. But still, if you do all of that, you also will have some less of money. Okay, but the people who are great-minded person, what they will think, I will share with you. The great-minded person, the successful-minded person, when and if they get 10 crore rupees, then they will use that 10 crore rupees on some business. Okay, because they know that one day my 10 crore rupees will end. But when it will finish, then what I will do, and then from where I will earn money. They think like this. Okay, now we, I, you, and some of us, we just think about now. But the people who are great-minded person, they will think about the future. What I am doing now, the result of my work that I am doing now, I will get it in my future. So now I should use this money, nor in my future I'll be poor. Okay, so you also see that I will not give example, or I am not just insulting anyone. I'm just sharing a thought that some people, whenever they also become a little bit rich, then they just spend the money by showing. They flex. They buy a very beautiful phone, a very luxurious laptop, and also some kinds of computers. They build a very big, luxurious house, a very big flat, but after a few days, they see that they are nothing. They are just only good and beautiful from the outside, but inside, they are nothing. Okay, so now if I get the 10 crore rupees, what I will do? It is that I will make a school. Okay, I'm not just including my dreams here. I'm just sharing that what I'll do. I'll make a school, or I will buy a very big place, a very big ground, and I will make a hospital there. Okay, it may be any kinds of private, public, doesn't matter. I'll make a hospital. I'll spend my 10 crore rupees on that hospital or on that school. Also, I can go in a market, and after going to that market, I also can buy all of the stalls, all of the stores from the market. It means that everything is mine. Okay, if I just make a very big hospital, then some money I also will get every year, every day. the money that the school or the hospital, the store is just getting, I also will get 50% or kind of 30%, 20%, doesn't matter, but I will get something. It means that in my whole life I'll not be poor. Okay, at least I'll not be poor. I'm also doing some kinds of good things for some people. And also, if you do good for others, it will come back in unexpected ways. Remember that. I'm not sharing my dreams, but I am just sharing the type of thinking. Thinking is very important. If you think like a successful, like a rich person, then obviously you will be rich and you will be successful one day. I'm not rich, I'm not successful, but I believe in myself that one day I will be, because for my thinking. So just understand, what is the matter is that I also have 24 hours, you also have 24 hours, a successful person also have 24 hours. I also have two eyes, one nose, one tongue, one mouth, 2 ears. You also have the same. Successful people, they also have the same. But the difference is using. Okay. The successful people who are billionaires, millionaires, they are using their time correctly, smartly, but we are not doing the same. Okay. So just remember and just start doing this thing. That think about long term success, not a short term success. If you earn 100 rupees, then what you will do? Okay, the people who are short minded, because short term mind whom they have, those people, they will just spend the 100 rupees by enjoying with their friends. They will go near and there, they will eat something, they will buy something, and they will be happy for 1 or 2 3 hours by just spending their 100 rupees. But a successful and a long-term person, what they will do, they will use that 100 rupees and they will find out a way to use that 100 rupees and to gain benefits, 200, 300 rupees with that 100 rupees. Like if I get 100 rupees, then what I'll do, I'll never spend it on my eatings, because I am also getting foods from my home, so I will eat that food if I am hungry. And I also have clothes, I have everything that I need. So now I don't have to just flex with that 100 rupees. What I'll do it is that I will go to the market and I will buy some kinds of seeds. Okay, seeds of plants, vegetable seeds of flowers, and then in a very low price I will buy all of the seeds with that 100 rupees, and then I will come back to home. I'll start working, because a little improvement also needs a lot of hard work. So after buying all of the seeds, I will come back and I will also plant all of those seeds. Like for few days, I also have done this with chili plants. Okay, I and my father, we have bought one day some kinds of chili seeds and chili plants, and then now also those chilies we are eating, we are taking them every day from this big chili plant. So I will just plant that, I will give water, and also giving water is not a big deal. I'll just make and manage a little kinds of soil, mud. I will plant that, I will give it some proteins, minerals, and then after a few days when it will grow up, then I also can sell all of those chilies, all of those flowers in my school or to some people, because people are waiting. So if I will just sell them, then I also will get a lot of benefits from it. It may be I also can earn 200, 300, 400, 500 rupees with that 100 rupees. So just think that now if I spend that 100 rupees by enjoying with my friends or also by eating something, then it will end. Okay, everything will go in my stomach and tomorrow I will just, okay. But if I just use that, then in my future it will give me more benefits, more. So for that reason, we also learn one thing, that everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you're lazy for it. So I hope everyone understood what is a short time success and what is a long time success. Long-term success has big benefits, big achievements, but short-term success, nothing. Like one story I will share with you, because I don't know why today I'm feeling great to speak the and to speak and also to share a little story of class 1, the Sonu Mono Gonu. I think people also you have heard it before. So in this story there are three pigs, Sonu, Monu, Gonu. They are brothers. One day Sonu, Monu, Gonu, they have built their own houses. Okay, so Sonu built a house with some kinds of straws. Okay, straws, some kinds of leaves. In few hours, Sonu have done it. But Monu did a little bit hard work. He also collected lot of sticks from the villages and also from the trees. And by collecting and just having lots of sticks, so Monu built a house of sticks. But the Gonu, the oldest one, is very talented and very good. What he did not think about that I'll just make my house very quickly and I will start living on it. He just decided to be a little bit professional. So what he did, he collected lots of bricks, lots of cements, and also by building a house like we people make our house, the Gonu also built a house of bricks, means a strong house, the strongest house. But it also take a very long time for Gonu to make. So one day a very big bad wolf came to their houses. So first the big bad wolf went to Sonu's house. Now Sonu's house was made of straw, a very weak house, because Sonu had made it very quickly with some kinds of straw. He also like did this and the house is ready. So for that reason the wolf went there and he just blew a blow. Okay, he just blew a ear from his mouth and the whole house was broken. At that time, the Sonu was very afraid. He ran and went to Monu's house. And now Monu's house was built of sticks. Okay, sticks are a little bit stronger than straws. The big bad wolf went there again. He also just hit with his hand and legs, and the the sticks house, it also just broken. It break, because stick house is also not very strong. You also can break a stick with your two hands. And then Sonu and Monu, they were very afraid, so they went to Gonu's house. Now this is the most interesting part. Gonu's house was made of bricks, very strong bricks with cements, a very powerful house. So the big bad wolf went there. He also just punched, he also kicked the house, but he could not do anything of that brick house, means of that Gonu house. And then the big bad wolf went away and Sonu Mono Gono lived together happily in that brick house. So just see that Sonu and Monu, they made their house very quickly by saving time with straws and sticks, but the results are very dangerous. The results that the big bad wolf just also finished. But the Gonu was very consistent with patience, with a lot of hard work and with a lot of time. He built his brick house, means a very strong house. And you also can see the results that at the last, the big bad wolf couldn't break it because for the hard work. So just remember this quote, like one kind of story, that if you give your time now, if you do the very hard work now, then in the future you will get the results of it. Your friends, your neighbors, your relatives, they are making fun now. Don't worry, because in your future, in their future, they also will get the result. But if you are very focused, if you are doing the work very focused, with patience, with consistency, with hard work, with smart work, then you also will get the result. So this was the thing I thought. I also could just understand everyone what is the story. sono mono kono, and also what is the short-term success, long-term success, benefits, results. Bye bye guys, I'll meet you in another next video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you have learned something from this video, and also just share your thoughts in the comment section, because I also love to talk with you people. If you have any kinds of problems about the English speaking, then you can share with me. If you have any kinds of topics, and if you think that I should make a video on this topic also, then just hit in the comment section. I'll reply it. And guys, bye bye. To a great mind, nothing is later.